Welcome to the new FLYSAFE mobile application. This video provides you with a quick start tutorial to help you understand how to get started with the app. Log in using your account email and password. To view your password when logging in, click the I symbol. Click it again to hide your password. If you are using a private label or non-FLYSAFE server, then slide the private label server button on. Private labels will enter in the URL as it appears on your side. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at the landing page. The first time you log in, be sure to go to the dashboard page and enable full sync. This will import all of your equipment as well as checklists for our upgraded plan users. Click the overview button on the bottom left to return to the main page. There are 3 buttons across the middle. Airspace displays the results of your airspace assessment in airspace and airport information cards. This data is refreshed every time the map crosshairs are moved. Clicking the advisory box at the top displays the parameters regarding the aviation data. Next, we have the weather button. Weather shows current weather details. Flight Ops enables users to initiate a new site assessment or mission. After clicking Flight Ops, click Quick Flight to proceed. When you are on the landing page, you have 2 options to conduct a site assessment, which will enable you to attach SFOC if desired. You can either click the blue Site Assessment button at the top right-hand corner, or draw a flight limit area with the circle button located at the top left-hand corner. Clicking the trash will remove the flight limit area from the map. Clicking the bullseye on the blue bar across the middle will zoom the map to your current location. Clicking on the thick bar in the blue bar will expand the map. Clicking on it again will collapse the map. The user is the blue dot on the map. The crosshairs are always on the center of the map and identify the area being evaluated for airspace intersections. The user can adjust the airspace assessment parameters from the Settings menu. User can filter the airspace floor between 700 and 4,000 feet. User can set the planned flight altitude from 1 to 400 feet. User can set flyaway buffer distance from 5 to 20 kilometers. User can confirm that aviation data is current and valid based on the information displayed. Once you have centered your flight area, click the circle icon on the upper left to enable flight boundary. You can change the flight area radius by using the slide bar. Once you have the area set, you'll see a yellow border around the blue site assessment box. Click the site assessment button to confirm a new flight. You may attach FSOC if applicable. Confirm that you want to start the new flight and then follow the pre-flight operation steps. On the first panel, select your personnel and customer project information. Click Next. Then, select your drone and equipment. Click Next. Finally, select your flight type and attach pre-flight documents. You are now ready to start your mission. Click Start Mission. Once your mission is underway, you will see a timer. This is used to track mission time between start and end. Multiple flights can be conducted after the time has started. At the top of the screen, you will see Status, FLA, FAB, Emergency, and Map tabs. FLA stands for Flight Limit Area. It defines the outer boundary of where flight operations are expected to take place. FAB stands for Flyaway Buffer. It is the potential area of risk that a drone poses in a lost link event. The Emergency tab displays the emergency flyaway script used to communicate to Nav Canada in the event of a flyaway. If you click the Map tab, the map will zoom to the flight limit area. To zoom out, click the gray FAB button on the right side. Clicking the FLA button will zoom you back in. The diamonds represent the intersection points with airspace and airports. Clicking the diamonds will provide additional information and update the emergency script under the Emergency tab with the selected airport and intersection information. Go back to the Status tab at the top of your screen, then click Back to Home to return to the main overview screen. If you want to navigate back to the mission timer, click In Progress at the very top right corner of your screen. When you are done flying, select Start Post-Flight. You can now add post-flight checklists by clicking Add Post-Flight Docs. Select your docs. You can also add post-flight incidents by clicking Add Incident Docs. Once the post-flight documents are complete, click Save Flight. You now have 3 options. If you are flying a DJI and using a controller that saves to DJI Go, then sync your flights to DJI Go and then select DJI Sync. If you are using a controller or hardware that syncs directly to our cloud server, such as Autopilot, Drone Harmony, Unic H520, or SensiFly EB, then you would select Flight Sync. If you do not plan on using telemetry, you can select No Telemetry Sync. If you select DJI Sync, then set the date to today's date. If you need to go back, select the date to which you want to go back. Once you have the date range set, select Search for Flights. A list of flights will be returned. This will select all flights between today and that date for importation. Our software removes duplicates, so there's no need to worry about selecting a flight that has already been imported. Select the flights you wish to sync to our cloud servers, and then click the blue Sync to Server button. If you do not see any flights, try setting the date back one extra day, as there are occasional DJI issues regarding server timestamps. You will then get a confirmation that the flight has been uploaded. If it is a duplicate, you will see a black circle next to the check mark when the flight is imported. A green circle means it's a new flight. Thanks for using AirMarket FLYSAFE Commercial. We manage drone flight and ensure compliance.